Okay, so we return back to this file that we developed for first part of the course. We go back into the slides and we look into how to create for the same data set that we have used for the bar chart, how we can create the pie chart, for example. So one of the easiest way of developing the pie chart that we can do is the same data set we have used to develop, right? We go there, right, in the chart, and you want to keep the same chart, but you can do copy this, okay, and paste, say for example here. Okay, once it is pasted, you can just right click and say change chart type, and you can do a pie chart, and this will be one of the representation that you can do in here, right? This represents the pie chart, but it doesn't give you who is who in this case, right? So for instance, in order to do this, we have to select, and we have to say that to highlight this, and then once you highlight it, then you can say so you can say this is the way that you can write it. But on the other hand, you can also say that labels, and in the labels currently it's showing what? The values, right? But you can also say that give me the category name, and the moment you say this is appearing, right? This is appearing. So this is one of the easiest way of converting a bar chart into a pie chart. So this is how I convert it, but there are other ways that you can also look into and format this. For instance, you can also look into, as instead of value you may say give me percentage. So this is the same chart has been changed from values to percentage, and I can return this back to percentage. So this is a better way of representation. Alternatively, I can create the copy of this chart. So I select this chart and say copy. So I go there in the edit, say copy, okay, and then I go there and paste this chart, say right click, say paste, okay. And once I paste this, then I have this option, so I can click on again format data, and then it says that the best fit, centered, inside, outside. You can say that I want this to be outside, for instance. So this is all outside now. Okay, so these are the all possibilities you can look into. Alternatively, you can go in the chart types, right click on the chart types again, and then you can go there and say no, I want the values to be as a part of the pie. So in this case, it's gonna look at this way. So it will show you that who are the bigger participants in this case, right? So this particular case, which is represented in a better format, in the sense that this few of the ones which are smaller are represented differently from the graph. So these are the, and you can again stretch this out to, okay, you can stretch this out the way that you want to in order to see all the graphs that you want to